Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the correct path for your phone, iOS or Android. Once chosen, unlock the device and have the device passcode ready. You'll change system settings. For iOS, go straight to Settings and open Screen Time. This is where you'll disable the camera app. For Android, open Settings and jump to Lock Screen or Security Options. Look for Lock Screen shortcuts. Start now. Don't waste time on backups. These steps are reversible and quick. You'll now perform the precise changes. On iOS, open Screen Time, enable content and privacy restrictions if needed, then allowed apps and turn off camera. This prevents camera from opening anywhere, including the lock screen. Once that's done, make sure Screen Time passcode is set so others can't re-enable it. On Android, find Lock Screen Settings, change left/right shortcut to None or select a blank app. If your Android skin hides it, search Security or Manufacturer Lock Options and remove the camera shortcut there. You're at the finish line. Lock the phone and test the camera shortcut. Try swipes, control center, and both lock screen sides. If the camera still appears, restart the device and recheck the exact setting. Screen time block on iOS or shortcut set to None on Android. Make sure a screen time passcode is active so settings can't be changed. If problems persist, update the OS, inspect any third-party lock screen apps, and remove camera permissions for quick widgets. This usually fixes the last stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.